This is a Dell Chromebook 13, model 3380, screen replacement guide. For the replacement process, we'll need the following tools: X-Acto knife, small Phillips screwdriver, plastic pick, tweezers. To begin, turn the laptop off by pressing and holding the power button. Disconnect the power cord. Using X-Acto knife, remove 4 small plastic covers from the corners of the bezel. Remove 4 Phillips screws. Proceed with removing the bezel. Start from the left side, gently pulling the inner edge of the plastic. Once the edge is unsnapped, move around the perimeter, releasing the top and the right sides. Flip the laptop and, using a plastic pick, separate the hinge cover from the top cover. Turn the laptop back and open it fully. Place it on the desk. Remove the hinge cover. Now we have access to 3 more Phillips screws holding the bezel in place. Remove the screws and separate the bezel. As you can see, there is some glue on the inner edges of the bezel. This glue protects the screen from water and dust. Set the bezel aside. Remove the 4 Phillips screws holding the LCD panel in place. Place the panel on the keyboard. Using X-Acto knife, gently peel off the tape securing the video connector. Open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old panel. Place the new LCD screen on the keyboard. Using both hands, reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket. Secure it with a clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any connectors. As well, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up and align it with the top cover. Replace the 4 Phillips screws holding the LCD panel in place. Replace the bezel. Start at the bottom, then go around the perimeter, snapping the tabs in place. Replace the 3 Phillips screws at the bottom of the bezel. Then 4 Phillips screws in the corners of the bezel. Replace the plastic covers. Replace the hinge cover. Set it in place, then flip the laptop over and, pressing firmly, snap in the tabs. Open the laptop, turn it on, and we're done.